Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. See the MLAK key? This is RoboLoo.
Welcome to XLOO.
Or XLOO.
Please press button to close and lock door.
It's got some sort of automation, so it's pretty cool. When you wash your hands, it'll flush the toilet. You've got soap under there, you've got a heater, and you've got a hand dryer. Most of the time the soap doesn't work. What you do is you come in here, you've got your baby change table and all that. You push the button. So you've got your lighting, sensors, all that. Okay, so you're in here you get 10 minutes and it'll tell you that. If you go over your 10 minutes, you've got this key override. We sell these keys. You put it in here and listen to this.
Thank you. Movement has been detected and your XLOO use time is now extended.
So you get an extra 10 minutes once you put your key in and turn it. So we sell these on our website. You need to have a certificate or a disabled card, and that's about it. And when you finish your business in the RoboLoo, you push your button and you're done. Thanks for watching.